Introducing Merit Brass flanged end ball valves housing TFM 1600 PTFE ball seats and thrust washers, crafted in Vietnam for wholesale distributors in the PVF industry. Available in one-piece reduced port and two-piece full port designs, these Class 150 valves feature durable PTFE seals for leak-proof performance. Produced from ASTM A351 CF8M and conforms to ASME ANSI B16.34 API 608 standards, they ensure reliability in any piping system. Manufactured by Kingdom Flow Controls, each valve undergoes rigorous testing, supporting pressure ratings up to 150 psi. This provides safety assurances and longevity, even under high temperature and pressure conditions, making them an ideal choice for transporting a variety of materials. With size ranges from 1/2 inch to 8 inch and ISO 5211 direct mounting pad for easy automation, these valves streamline your inventory. The reduced and full port designs optimize flow control, saving you time and costs while meeting diverse project needs. Enhance your bottom line with Merit Brass valves, designed for efficiency and built to last. Contact us at 800-726-9800 or visit us at meritbrass.com to learn how these Vietnam manufactured solutions can elevate your distribution business.